Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your favorite YouTuber, Jordan Gold, and today I'm gonna give you a tutorial of an app called Wink. So before we start the tutorial, don't forget to click the subscribe button, thumbs up button, and also I put the timestamps in the description below if you need one. So let me just start the tutorial. Okay guys, so now we just open the app. Okay guys, so this is the front page of the app. So in this front page, there's a Wink profile. So this is the profile, and there's a multiple button on here. So first, so in here there's an X button, a checklist button, a star button, and this is the name, age, and the location. And up here there's a point, and here there's a 3 button. It's for block user and report a user, and that's a search preference button, a replay button, and also a diamond button. And this is the user profile pic, and if we click this, we can see their bio, their other picture, their interests, like that. So if you don't want to add this person, you can click X, and if you accidentally click X on a profile and you want to go back to that profile, you can click this replay button. And if you want to add them, you can swipe right, or you can click this checklist button, or even the star button. So we're just gonna click this checklist button, and it costs you 10 diamonds or 10 gems, and the replay button costs you about 20 gems. And also there's a verified button, so it's a verified user if you want to know that. And there's a star button, we click that. So this is a super swipe, and you need to have 200 gems to do this. So we're just gonna click it, and we just super swipe them. And now up here there's the search preference, so you can choose your search preference. You want to meet guys, girls, or everyone. And also you can change your age range, and also you can choose you want to meet people from your country or worldwide. And also there's a hack for it, like if you choose my country, you can change your country by click your profile, and we can click to the settings. In the setting there's a country, you can change it to whatever country you chose to be, and it changed the swiping section right away. So you can also swipe right or swipe left. So if you swipe right, it's mean you want to add them, and if you swipe left, it's mean you don't want to add them, like that. And this is the diamond button. So if you check in every day, you'll get a gems. So I get 100 gems, and in the other day it will increase the price. And also you can earn 2000 gems if you share a link on Snapchat or on any other platform that you can. So if you want to share it, you can just click share on Snap or share link, and this link, it's a download link to download the Wink app. So every 5 person that open your link, you'll get 2000 diamonds, and you just have to claim it. But there's no one open my link yet because I haven't shared it yet. And you can also earn 1000 gems if you get a 7-day message streak. So in this app there's a message section too, and you can, so if you got a message every day for 7 days, you'll get 1000 gems. And now let me just try to share on Snap. So it didn't work for me, and let's try share link, and so you can forward it or send it to your friends right away, like that. And that's it for the diamond section. And now let's go to our friend list. So in this friend page there's a request section and also a friends section, a list of someone that's already your friends. So in this page there's a request user that we haven't accepted yet, or also the list of people that accept our request. And there's a few options we can do here. So first you can check your profile by click the picture. This is their profile, and you can also report or block them if you want it. And there's chat now, add friends, and if you want to reject it, you can just click X. So if you want to chat them right away, you can just click chat now and type whatever you want. And also if you want to add them as a friend, you can just click add friends, and it became your friends right away. And also if you want to reject their snap request, you can just click X, and it's gone. And also in this request list, there's a list of people that accept your snap requests, and you can just add them on Snap right away. You just have to click add on Snap, and if you start when you're scrolling, you can just force it like that. So you can scroll until the end of the list. So now we go to our friends list. So here is our friend list. If you want to chat them, you can just click it. So in this chat section, you can send a random question, would you rather, or truth or dare. You can send gifts, and also you can send a photos, take a photo or select from camera roll. You can send a voice message, you can call them and video chat them. And also this button over here work for if you want to add them on Snap, and you can also unfriend them, block them, and also you can report them. So if you want to add them on Snap, you can just click add on Snap, and you can just click add friends like that. And also up here there's a list of our friends that are online, so if you want to chat them, you can chat them right away. And there's a search button to search your friends if you have a lot of friends, and you can find them anywhere. And there's also their username. And also if you have friends on this app and you are not friends on this app yet, you can click this and you can search their ID, like example Jordan Golds, and you can just add them right away like that. And now there's a game section. So in here there's a multiple game, there's a trivia champ, ship battle, friend goals, jungle swing, wing blast, stack attacks, and coming soon. And this one, if you can't decide which game you want to play, you can just click this and it will randomly pick the game for you. So in this game page there's a versus and also there's a solo. You can also earn a gems from the solo game and not from the versus game. That's based on my experience. So first, now let we just try all of the games. And first, let's try stack attack. So in here you'll get 1 gems for every 10 points. So let me just tap to start and we just click start. So it's a stacking game. And I don't think I'm really good at it. Okay, so my score is 31, and if you replay, the point will add up later when you click X or exit. You click OK, and you got the diamond, 3 gems, and wing blast. And this is actually my favorite one because it's more fun in my opinion, and you'll get more diamond actually. So every 100 point you'll get 1 gems. Okay, so we exit and we got 24 gems, and now there's jungle swing. Tap to start, select to start. Yep, there's gems. Also, all of the weapons here, if it hits you, you basically game over. Oh, okay, so we got 13 gems, so it's actually more easier to get gems from this game. So we just click exit, okay, and we got 13 gems. And there's friend gold, so it's a versus game, versus with another user. Match found, so what should we do? Oh, CJ, that's my name also. Why? Okay. So basically you have to make a goal. Wait, I just scored 5? I thought I made a lot. Click exit and to chat. Chat with who? Oh, so you can chat with that user also. And there's a ship battle. So we just click play, and there's also settings. 10 kilogram. I don't understand what this means. Help. Got it. Okay, click got it. Okay, so we got a match, and we just have to choose to which lane we're gonna put our ship in. so some of our ship are struggling. No. Okay, so I lose, and now let me just exit to chat. Oh no, I'm not gonna chat. In trivia chan, it's like a quiz kind of thing. It's a stacking game. Start. You can choose private or random. Maybe private is with your friends and random with random player online, like that. Finding a challenger. Okay, so it's like who's the smarter game. Which chess places can only move diagonally? Queen, knight, bishop. I don't know. Oh, I'm correct. What is Captain Jack Sparrow's favorite drink? Rum. Who is the original author of the Wheel of Time series? I don't know. Ooh, I'm correct again. Who developed the smallpox vaccine? Jessup Lister or no? The Bourne Ultimatum. Blah blah blah. Newspaper. The Observer. No. Which fruit has the largest annual global production? Bananas. Oh no. Which wonder of the ancient world is still standing today? Taj Mahal, Great Pyramid of Giza. What is the silver and blah blah blah? Web browser? Suriname. Africa. Oh, South America. That's the correct answer. Brand of mathematics, deals triangle, trigonometry. I lose again, so we just exit the chat. No, why do we always exit the chat? Okay, so now we go to a chat section. So in here will be the list of the people that we chat, and there's only 2 here, and there's a random chat. So you chat with a random person online, you can just click match, and we're searching. And if you want to chat, you can click chat now. If you're not, just click search again. Chat now. And we have to wait if they accept it or they reject it. I think they're gonna reject it. Let's see. Alex pass, and we can just click search again. Okay, so now we click X, and now we're going to our profile. So in here, this is our score. We have score 60, and to be honest, I don't know about the score things like how do you got it. I have no idea. And this is our name, and 20 years, I'm not 20 years old. United States, friends, I have 21 friends, and this is my picture. And you can also add a picture. We just try to add a picture. Click plus. You can take a photo or upload from camera roll. So if you want to take a photo, it's in the app. Done, and if you're done, you can just click the checklist button and we'll go back. And I don't know if it worked like that, but there's no picture here yet, so we'll just upload from camera roll. Click allow. I haven't done that yet. That's weird. And you just have to choose your picture that you want to upload. I'm gonna choose this one, and yep, click done. And it's uploaded. And also if you want to delete a photo, you can just click X and you're deleting your photo. And if you also want to change the location of your photo, you can just swipe it like this, swipe, and you're done. And down here there's my bio, so you can write whatever you want as long as it's only 255 characters. And there's interest. You can click update interest. There's a TV, movie, hobbies, sport, communities, and you can just click which is your interest. I'm just gonna click it. Romantic comedy, drama, adventure, war, and all of it. And music. Just skip it, and you just have to click X. And also you can search your interest if you can't find it anywhere. Done. And also I'm a verified user, and also if you want to view your profile, you can just click this, tap to view profile, and you can see how your profile looks like. Okay, and up here there's a shop, wing shop. So in here there's I don't know what it's called, but it's like maybe the background for your, oh yeah, it's the background for your bio. so you can just spot it, and you need gems to buy it. And next to wing shop, there's settings. So in settings, there's name. You can change your name if you wanted to, and you just have to click save. And next to it, there's wing ID, so you can edit your ID however you want it to be. And also the age, you can change your age, and I've made a mistake with it. Snap. Okay, so this is my Snapchat. Country, you can change your country with wherever you came from, or you can custom it like, hey, I wanna be from French, and you can just click it. And search preference, you can change your search preference in here too. And also notification, you can turn it on, and you can also turn it off like that, and you can log out and delete your account. And guys, I think this is it for the tutorial. So yeah, and that's guys for the tutorial today. I hope this is helpful, and I hope you also enjoyed it. And don't forget to click the subscribe button, thumbs up button, and also share my video to all your friends and family and anywhere that you can. Yeah, so this is it for the video. I hope this is helpful. Have a great day. God bless you all, and peace.